To begin today's program, the inauguration of AI for Andhra Police Hackathon, I invite Shri Harish Kumar Gupta, IPS Director General of Police, Andhra Pradesh, to give the welcome address. It is through Sir's support and guidance that Andhra Pradesh Police has been working tirelessly towards this endeavor.
Jai Hind. Respected Honorable Chief Minister, Andhra Pradesh, Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Honorable Minister of State for Rural Development and Communication, Shri Pemachan Chandrasekhar Garu, MLA Pratipadu, V. Ramanjanelu Garu, Collector Guntur, esteemed members from the industry and academia, dear participants, Jai Hind. It's a proud moment for AP Police to welcome you all to this Hackathon 225. It's a first initiative of this kind in the country for the future of the law enforcement through generative AI. From the very beginning, AP has been a pioneer in using technology for governance. Many of you may recall that eCops, a platform, was built by AP Police decades ago, and it was the brainchild of our Honorable Chief Minister that time. Across the country, there is a saying that our Honorable CM is the visionary leader, and what he thinks, others follow it decades later. Today we stand at a new inflection point. As envisioned by our Honorable CM, this is the time for AP to once again lead the way. This time with AI at the core of governance. The idea of this hackathon was born about 3 months ago, and over 30 officers from the police department have worked on the with the knowledge partner to curate the problems and then identify the solutions. And in this regard, our knowledge partner, Foresight AI, has helped us a lot. The result of this 8 real-world high-impact use cases across productive intelligence, investigation and cybersecurity, designed not for experimentation, for the direct deployment. In fact, at least 4 of these use cases have the potential to scale across the other government departments such as health, urban services and transport. We are humbled and energized by the response from the AI industry. From over 160 team registrations, we have selected 60 most capable teams to develop the solutions. The feedback from the industry experts has been very encouraging. We are also honored to have the India AI division for MeitY with us. They have expressed interest in supporting our journey, not only with the guidance and alignment, with also funding for the selected outcomes. We have also been informed that teams from the Silicon Valley and global AI community are closely tracking this event. The solutions which are developed here will be developed in next 6 months, and at least a couple of these solutions will be deployed. As the Director General of Police, I want to assure you all, this is not just the beginning. We are just building a long-term roadmap to make AP a global torchbearer in AI law enforcement. As we do so with the same passion and integrity that AP Police is known for. Before I conclude, I want to sincerely thank our knowledge partners and RVR and JC College of Engineering for hosting this excellent and youth engagement program. I also want to thank our Honorable CM and Honorable Home Minister for their visionary leadership in guiding AP into AI-powered governance era. Thank you. Jai Hind.